Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use safe mode in Winbox of MikroTik VPS. First of all, you should go to the system and then you should choose the identity, and as you can see you should choose a name, for example test, and then you should OK. And as you can see, at first it was the safe mode was disabled, and now we are gonna to make it enable. And if we close it and open it again, you can see we are using the safe mode in Winbox of MikroTikVPS. Thank you for watching us, and subscribe our channel, and goodbye.